information and key points about z-score. Standard size score. A z-score tells you how many standard deviation away from the mean a data point lies. Formula z x sigma, where x is the data point, sigma is the mean, and the standard deviation. Interpretation: z sigma, the data point, is equal to the mean. Z sigma, the data point, is above the mean. Z sigma, the data point, is below the mean. Z2 or 3 is often considered unusual or an outliner. Z-score helps compare data points from different distribution or identify patterns and outlines. Do you have a specific question about z-score, or would you like more information?
The formula for calculating a z-score is z equal x min sigma, where z equals z-score, x equals individual data point, min equals population mean, sigma population standard deviations. This formula helps determine how many standard deviations away from the mean your data point is. Do you want to plug in some numbers or discuss how apply this population?
Negative x equals 20, negative mean equals 15, and sigma equals 5. Using this formula, z equals x negative mean and slash negative sigma. Z equals 20, negative 15, and 5. Z plus 5 slash 5, z equals 1. This means the data points is 20, standard deviation above the mean 15. What do you try another example or ask about interpreting z-score?
To determine if each score is above or below the mean, need to know the specific score and the mean score, since I did receive any score data in that previous report. Consider some score for a few events. 100-meter dash, student A 12.5 seconds, student B 14.2 seconds, mean 13.5 seconds. Student A's score 12.5 seconds is below the mean 13.5 seconds. Student B's score 14 seconds above the mean 13.5 seconds. Long jump, student C 5.8 meters, student D 4.9 meters, mean 5.3 meters. Student C score 5.8 meters is above the mean 5.3 meters. Student DS score 4.9 meters is below the mean 5.3